Good morning from Shibuya. It's 8 a.m. on a weekday, not a weekend. But surprisingly, most of the Love hotels here are already full. I found one a bit further away from the main area. Has a good price, a car park, and looked pretty decent. Alright, it's 11 a.m. Finally there is a room available. Let's check out the room. Bathroom is on the right side as I enter. Another door here leads to the main bedroom. On the right, there is a sink, a separate bathroom with a bathtub and a shower. Another door here leads to the main bedroom. The room has dim lighting, a bed, table, and chairs, and controls to adjust the room lighting. Jazz music is already playing, sets the mood, even if I'm just here to rest alone. Mini fridge. A tea and coffee set, and an electric kettle. Nice touch. And I'm here to charge all my electronic devices. There's a toothbrush, shower, hairdryer, and even lotion and face wash provided. There are towels provided. The bathtub is huge. Body shampoo, hair shampoo, and conditioner are all there. Here is the separate toilet. First things first, I made myself some drip coffee with the provided set, perfect for a slow morning. And just as I settled down, my spaghetti arrived, super quick within 10 minutes. I also started filling up the bathtub. Didn't realize at first, but it actually has a jacuzzi feature. After a nap, I got hungry again, so I ordered this ham and cheese toast. Would I do this again? Absolutely. They're actually a great place to rest during the day. See you in the next video.